Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to download Police Chase Simulator. First open Google Play, then type OWRC Police Chase Simulator in the search bar. First the game is in front of you in the search, click on it. We found it now, click on install and wait a bit. The download is complete. Click on create new user profile and enter profile name. And now wait a bit for the game additional content to download. Done. Click on I agree. And now let's try the game. Click on open world. Wait a bit for device performance test. And now you can enjoy a world full of adventure and crime fighting with stunning graphics for a mobile game. Thanks for watching, tech enthusiasts. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more awesome tech tricks. Drop your questions or ideas in the comments below and let's keep leveling up our tech game together. Catch you in the next video.